Yeah. Hi, everyone. So in this session, we are going to discuss about Azure Storage Explorer. So in the previous session, we discussed what are the methods to upload and download the objects. To upload, to download the objects in Azure, we had to use Azure portal. That is nothing but a console we had to use using graphical user interface. The methods to upload and download the objects, we had to use the Azure portal. In the previous session, we discussed how to create storage account, how to create the container, how to upload and download the objects, how to delete the object, how to delete the container. All those things we discussed in the previous video using Azure portal. That is one way to upload the objects using Azure portal. The second one is to upload and download the objects, Storage Explorer. This is a best option I am saying. That is to upload large amount of objects. This is the best method. Storage Explorer is the best method. The third way to upload and download the objects, PowerShell, or using command line interface, right? Now in this session, we are going to discuss Azure Storage Explorer. So in this session, we discuss how to install Azure Storage Explorer, right? That is a Azure Storage Explorer is an application that helps you to easily access the Azure Storage account through any device on any platform. Maybe you may use the Windows or Mac operating system or Linux operating system. You can easily connect to your subscription and manipulate your tables, blobs, queues, and files, etc. So, if we are using the Storage Explorer for Windows version, Windows 11 version, Windows 10 version, Windows 8 version, Windows 7 version. So those version, the Windows support the Storage Explorer. Storage Explorer support the Windows version default, Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So for all versions of Windows, Storage Explorer requires .NET Framework 4.7.2 version. At the minimum, we had to use this one. So for that, we had to follow the link this is the link we had to follow. We had to download for all Windows version, this one. This software, we had to download it, download .NET Framework 4.7.2. This we had to download the software. It's a small software. We can install it anywhere Windows. So default, the Storage Explorer is available for Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. For all versions, we had to install the software by using the given link, right? We may use the Storage Explorer if we are using the operating system is Mac operating system. It is a default available Mac operating system 10.12. The latest version, this Storage Explorer is there. If we are using Linux operating system, that is, it is available default Storage Explorer Ubuntu 20.04 64-bit Ubuntu 18.04, Ubuntu 16.04, 64-bit version, right? For those versions, if you are using the Linux operating system, Storage Explorer is there, right? So we had to download the Storage Explorer using this link for all type of operating systems. This is the link I am providing in the description, video description I am providing. See that this is a Azure Storage Explorer. Here download option is there. We can download Azure Storage Explorer application. That's the software we have to download it. Click on this download option. It is showing the operating system. Windows, Mac OS, storage, Mac OS, Linux, all those things. Whatever, if you want the Windows, we can click on this one. The software is downloaded. Storage Explorer software is downloaded. It's a small software, 127 MB. So if we are using the Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, support the Storage Explorer. If we are using for all the versions, Storage Explorer, to support the Storage Explorer, we have to use the link is this one. That is, you need to install .NET Framework. Here in my laptop, I am using Windows 10. That's why the Windows Explorer is supported. Automatically, .NET Framework operating system is there. So I can direct download the Storage Explorer, right? So the software I am downloading in this one, in downloads, it is available. Double click on it. We had to install for all users. Click on yes. Here we had to accept the agreement. Click on install. Click on next. Click on next. Extracting files. Wait for few minutes. The installation procedure is started. First extracting the files. It is installing. It is taking time. Yes. Now the software is installed. Click on finish button. Now you have to log in with your Azure account. That is, it is showing like that. Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer. Whenever in your system we have to install, it is open automatically, or you may search it on the search box. Storage Explorer is there. You have to type it. Storage Explorer. The software is installed in my laptop, right? Now, this is, we have to log in the Azure here. Log in the Azure. Click on this option. Here, sign in with Azure. We have to select which Azure environment you use to sign in. Azure I am selecting. Click on next. It is redirecting to Azure account. Already my Azure account is there open. Now we have to click on this Azure account. See that authenticated, you can return to Storage Explorer. You might need to authenticate again if you close this browser tab. Fine. Fine. Now see that here when you click on this, see that Microsoft account is there. See that with my mail sheshadri.u.csc@gmail, it is open, the Azure account. Now I had to open my Azure portal. The resource group already it is created with the name US102. Now I am creating the storage account. In the previous session, I explained that how we had to create the storage account, how we had to create the container, how we had to upload the objects. That is, click on storage account. Here, create option is there. Click on that. You need to select the resource group. Resource group is US102. You have to give the storage account name. To give the storage account name, it's globally unique. If I am given my name, see that the storage account name Sheshadri is already taken. So we had to give the storage account name is globally unique. I am given Sheshadri CSC I am given. Performance standard I am chosen, right? Click on advanced option. You have to put the tick mark, allow enabling anonymous access on individual containers. Direct I am click on review. It's validating. Click on create. Deploying and submitting in progress. Deployment is in progress. Wait for. Yeah. Now at the notification, you have to observe that deployment is succeed. The storage account is created. Click on storage account. Sheshadri CSC account is created. Click on this. Here at the left side, under the storage account, you have to create the container. Click on that. Click on container. You have to give the container name. I am given the container name is my name I am given. Here anonymous access level. If you want to change, the default private is showing. If you want to change, we can change the anonymous access level here. Blob anonymous read access for blob only. Click on create. Successfully created storage container. Fine. You can click on the storage container. If you want to upload the objects, select upload option. You have to browse for by files. Here in my system, desktop images folder is there. Double click on it. The images are there. I need to upload those images. Click on open. Click on upload. I am uploaded objects to this container. Fine. Fine. Now I installed in my laptop the storage explorer I installed. Now we had to attach for this storage explorer, we had to attach a resource. Click on this option. Click on storage account or service. Here account name and key, we have to select it. Click on next option. Here it is asking display name, account ID. That's nothing but the storage account access key is asking. Where the storage account access key is available. That is anywhere Azure portal. You have to open the Azure portal. Click on container. See that Seshadri container is open. Seshadri's account name is CSC, Seshadri CSC. Here at the left side, access keys option is there. Click on that. What is the storage account name? Seshadri CSC. That's we have to copy and paste it here. Okay. And also here two keys are there. Key 1, key 2. Click on show option. You have to copy the key 1. Paste it here. Okay. Now, you have to open the Storage Explorer. You have to attach a resource. Select the storage account. You have to select account name and key. Click on next. Here display name, whatever you have to give it, the display name. I am given display. Display name I am given display. Account name is, this is the account name I am given. What is the account name I am given? The account name is, this is Seshadri CS. Whatever you are given account name, the same account name we have to give it. And also the access key you have to give it. This is the access key. Copy this and paste it on this one. And then click on next option. Click on connect. Now at the bottom, you see that successfully added a new connection, right? Fine. Fine. Now we had to open Explorer. Here, what is the name I am given? Display. Click on this. It's loading. You have to click on blob container. Now see that under the blob container, your container is there. Whatever you are created the container in Azure portal, the same it is there, Seshadri. We can double click on it. I am not uploading the objects in the Storage Explorer. I am uploading the objects in Azure portal. Whatever you are uploading the objects, the same objects are there. Bird object is there, cat object is there, dog and peacock. See that? Here at the bottom, it is showing transfer. It is. The same image is there or not in the portal, you have to see that. You have to open the container, Seshadri. Click on bird object, copy object URL. You have to paste it here. We're getting the same object or not? Yes. Whatever you are uploading the objects on Azure portal, same it is available in Storage Explorer also. If you want to upload the objects from the Storage Explorer, you can click on upload option. If you want to upload individual files, you have to choose this option. If you want to upload the folder directly, we can choose upload folder option. Now I am uploading files. Click on this. Here, you have to select the files. Click on these three dots. Here I am uploading this option, 24, Azure Administrator, Associate, Blob Storage. Click on open. Now we have to upload. Wait. Now it is uploading the object. See that blob storage is there. The same it is available on Azure portal or not. You have to open the Azure portal. Just refresh the browser. Open the storage account. Open your container. Seshadri container. Under, see that this object is uploaded. Right? So those are the steps we have to follow how to upload object from Storage Explorer. If you want to download the objects from Storage Explorer, just go to the object, right click on it. Here, the download option is there. You can click on download option. On downloads. Wait. Download option on desktop or in downloads. Just I am given one. I am given one image one. Or on desktop under images. Sorry. Download option is there here. Whenever if you are given the right click on it, here download option is there. Click on download option. Now it is asking the folder. Desktop, under images, you have to give the image one. What's that? It is asking the images. Now it is downloaded. Already it is there. That's why it is, if you want to overwrite, you can click on the overwrite, then it is okay. Do not download option is there. We can overwrite. Apply. It is overridden. If you want to download this in another folder, just I am creating the folder name is in the desktop. I am given the folder name is images one. I am given. Go to the Storage Explorer. I want to download. Right click on it. Download. Here under the desktop images one folder is there. You can select the folder only. Now it is downloaded. See that the object is downloaded. So those are the steps we have to follow, how to upload the objects, how to download the objects. If you want to delete the object, just right click on it. Here delete option is there. Click on delete. We will put the tick mark. Also delete blob snapshot. Click on yes. Cat object is deleted. Just wait. It is in process. Process is completed. At the bottom it is showing deletion of cat.jpg from Seshadri container. It is deleted. Refresh this browser. Now go to the Azure portal. Open your container. Now see that cat image is not there. That object is deleted. You are deleted from Storage Explorer. Similarly, if you want to delete the other objects also, we can delete it. So those are the steps we had to follow. How to upload objects, how to download objects, right? Using the Storage Explorer. So in this session, we discuss how to install Storage Explorer for Windows operating system, and also how we had to upload and download the objects and deletion of objects from the Storage Explorer we had to discuss, right? Okay. Thank you.